Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to download and install Bloxstrap. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download and install Bloxstrap. Start by opening your browser and searching for Bloxstrap. Then click on the first link that appears. Scroll down until you find the section prompting you to try Bloxstrap and click the download button. You'll be redirected to a page showing different versions and updates. Select the one that fits your system. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your folder and double-click to start the installation. The installer will guide you through integrations and allow you to choose your installation location. After clicking Install, Bloxstrap will set up alongside Roblox, configuring everything automatically. Once the process finishes, launch Roblox through Bloxstrap and you'll immediately notice the enhancements and features available with this app. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.